Do you clean your house every day? Do you clean your house every day?
No, I clean it once a week. No, I clean it once a week.
What is the first thing you clean in your house? What is the first thing you clean in your house?
I start with the kitchen. I start with the kitchen.
How do you clean the floor? How do you clean the floor?
I sweep and then mop it. I sweep and then mop it.
Do you like cleaning? Do you like cleaning?
Not really, but I like a clean house. Not really, but I like a clean house.
What do you use to clean the windows? What do you use to clean the windows?
I use glass cleaner and a cloth. I use glass cleaner and a cloth.
Who cleans the house in your family? Who cleans the house in your family?
Everyone helps with cleaning. Everyone helps with cleaning.
How often do you wash the dishes? How often do you wash the dishes?
I wash them every day. I wash them every day.
What do you do with old clothes? What do you do with old clothes?
I donate or recycle them. I donate or recycle them.
Do you clean your bedroom every day? Do you clean your bedroom every day?
Yes, I make my bed and tidy up. Yes, I make my bed and tidy up.
What is the hardest part of cleaning? What is the hardest part of cleaning?
Cleaning the bathroom is the hardest. Cleaning the bathroom is the hardest.
What do you use to dust furniture? What do you use to dust furniture?
I use a duster or a cloth. I use a duster or a cloth.
Do you vacuum the carpet? Do you vacuum the carpet?
Yes, I vacuum it once a week. Yes, I vacuum it once a week.
How do you clean the bathroom? How do you clean the bathroom?
I scrub the sink, toilet, and shower. I scrub the sink, toilet, and shower.
What do you do with trash? What do you do with trash?
I throw it in the bin and take it outside. I throw it in the bin and take it outside.
What cleaning tools do you use? What cleaning tools do you use?
I use a mop, broom, and vacuum. I use a mop, broom, and vacuum.
How do you keep your house smelling fresh? How do you keep your house smelling fresh?
I use air fresheners and open windows. I use air fresheners and open windows.
What do you use to wash clothes? What do you use to wash clothes?
I use a washing machine and detergent. I use a washing machine and detergent.
How often do you change bed sheets? How often do you change bed sheets?
I change them every week. I change them every week.
Do you clean the fridge? Do you clean the fridge?
Yes, I clean it once a month. Yes, I clean it once a month.
Why is cleaning important? Why is cleaning important?
It keeps the house neat and healthy. It keeps the house neat and healthy.